everyone! Today I'm drawing a colorful fish with shiny rainbow scales. Look at how happy this little fish looks. I used lots of bright colors for the scales: purple, blue, green, and more. And don't forget the fun little bubbles next to him. This fish loves swimming in the ocean and playing with his bubble friends. Would you like to draw this happy fish too? Let's try it together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. Bye!